Zebra has its first block on mainnet that we know of. I can share how we did it. So a while back, we implemented mining support in Zebra, and recently we enabled the RPCs in the default build. And I've been mining Zcash for more than a year, and I never thought it was possible to produce a block with the hardware that I have. Until we were enabling the RPCs, and I randomly thought of calculating the probability of producing a block. And the result was that it should be possible to hit the solution once per 10,000 blocks, which seemed quite good because that's about 9 days. So I tried it, and the way I did it was pretty simple. I ran Zebra on my desktop, then I connected SNOMP to it, which is a mining pool, and I live in Prague, but the miners are in Slovakia, in my parents' house. So I needed to connect the miners to SNOMP, but I don't have a public IP, so I just set I redirected the port that SNOMP that I was running SNOMP at to a VPS that I ran to make SNOMP publicly accessible, and then I connected the miners to it. And then I was just waiting for a month, and it actually worked. That's about it. I would like to write a blog post about how I operate the machines, because I mentioned it to a few people at ZCon4, and they were interested in the economics and the consumption and stuff like that. I track all of these data, and if I have time, I might write it up over Christmas. I have the miners immersed in oil so that I can use all the heat from them. The electric power there is about 4.5 kilowatt, which is enough to heat up a whole house. I transfer the heat from the oil to water through heat exchanger, and then I also so the water goes to the radiators in the house, and I also use it in I also use the heat to heat up a water tank for hot water in the house. And last piece is that I offset the consumption with solar panels, which works great, especially in summer. So in winter, I use all the heat, and in summer, I'm mining almost for free. Yeah, so that's all about it. One more detail maybe is that the way I connect to so the ASICs, they just provide a web interface like a Wi-Fi router, and I needed remote access to them. So on the VPS that I have, I set up an OpenVPN server, and then at home I run OpenVPN client, and I learned to. So thanks to this forced me to learn how to redirect traffic from a client in VPN to the local network on the client, and then back from the local network to the VPN. Yeah.